Welcome. Today's episode is going to be on one new finance credit bureau stock added to my $13,000 Robinhood portfolio, which is Experian. So before I jump into that, today's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, guys. For those in Florida, keep your head up. I know how it is. I used to live in Orlando. I can't remember the name of the hurricane. I know hurricanes are given names alphabetically, but it was in 2004, and it was three hurricanes that swept across Florida. So I experienced that, and yeah, my hat's off to you guys. You guys are gonna pull through. It looks like it's just gonna sweep across I think it's the coast of like West Palm Beach, going up towards Jacksonville. I think along Georgia and South Carolina. So I hope it hits that route. Nobody gets affected by it, because I'll be flying into Miami on Wednesday. So hopefully by Wednesday I'll be in Miami 2 p.m. Wednesday. So hopefully it's up north and it's not lingering around that area by that time. So I just took my American Airlines and I'm on travel alert. So check that out. Okay, let's jump into it. It's Labor Day. The market's closed. As you guys know, I go straight to all. So you can see 1, 2. Those are the 3 major dips that I've experienced with my portfolio. So, and I love these 3 dips, because that's where, to me, in my mind, a trigger goes off, and it's discount, sales, discount, and sales that runs rapidly through those dips. So currently I'm up 6.09%. Here you go, mama. Oof. There you go. Ooh, good jump. So I'm up 6.09%. I'm rocking. My goal is my portfolio, I'm designing a index fund, and it's pretty much everything in the stock market, whether it's stocks, ETFs, REITs, bonds, monthly paying dividends, currencies. I have cryptocurrencies. As you can see, my portfolio is moving, because cryptocurrencies don't stop, whether it's the weekends or holidays. It keeps moving. It keeps working. So that's one thing I like about cryptocurrencies. And not to scare anybody off, but they're just fractions. I'm not betting my whole house or nothing like that on it. It's just the way I invest in stocks. It's the same exact style and concept on how I invest into cryptocurrencies. Easy formula. I promise you. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Okay? Damn. So I'm up $742. If you see my portfolio moving, it's because of the cryptos. As you know, stocks, ETFs, REITs, all that good stuff, they're Monday through Friday. And then on holidays, it's a Monday. Of course, it's a holiday. And it's pretty much quiet. Cricket sound. Okay. So let's jump into it. Experian. Oh, before I jump into my newest finance credit bureau asset, these are my monthly paying dividends from DIA down to AVAL. And then from EXPGY, that's the Experian, down to CREG. Those are my newly added assets. So I'll give you guys 2 of my newly added assets on Mondays, and because I got a schedule now that I'm doing, because I start class on Friday, but I'm still gonna work this daily. So inside my Robinhood portfolios is gonna be on Mondays and Fridays. And then from Google all the way down, and they're all listed in from highest to lowest, and it goes all the way down to I think $1. Well, I had a company, it was like 40 cents. I got that back. So yeah, all the way down to $1 now. So me, anything under $4, I consider penny stocks. So these are all pretty much penny stocks. But I mean, like this Cemex from Mexico, it's a cement company. Yeah, it's considered what they consider penny stocks. But me, I just look at what it, with a penny stock. Just if I believe in it truly, I'll buy it. You know, even though it's dirt cheap, but I usually buy penny stocks with my dividends. So, but I try to, with my dividends now, I'm up to close to $20 a month, guaranteed, and that's with the monthly and my strategy, and getting paid on the quarter, on my stronger months every 3 months. Those are my stronger months. So, and that's my strategy for. Oh, and then I'm gonna show you guys my cryptocurrency real quick. It's just their fractions. Oof, did I go down too far? Oh yeah, I went down to my watch list. That's another video to go over that. I just want to show you guys my cryptocurrency. Oh, where's the crypto? Should be like in. There it is, cryptocurrencies. LTC is a fraction, BCH is a fraction, ETH is a fraction, BTC is a fraction, ETC. I actually have an actual whole coin. I think that's Ethereum Classic, and then I got 956 Dodge. So I want to get my Dodges up to 1,000. So these are solid coins, but these are all fractions because they're just way too high for me. I might buy a Litecoin, maybe. If it's anything under $100 and I really believe, and because more and more I'm starting to build a little faith in these cryptocurrencies, but not like all the way. These are just pretty much like getting the feel of how cryptocurrencies feel, and I like the fact that it's working 24/7. It's just one of those things in my head. It's like it doesn't stop. So that's another thing. Just to hold it, it's just one of those things like a human. Like a human feeling, attachment. So because just investing in stocks alone, it pretty much seeped into everything else. I'm now into real estate. I'm now into investing in physical precious metals. I am building up to start my logistics company, and then what's the fourth? And then stocks, cryptocurrencies. So. And all that ties in together. So I like it all. I don't stick to just one realm of investing. I like it. I like the entire spectrum, all five. Investing, well, the stocks, real estate, business, and then physical precious metals. That's my thing. So, all right, let's get into it. Experian. Oh, Experian is also from Dublin, Ireland. So, global stock investing. Take me back to the beginning of when I started out. Okay, I'm going to shrink me down some. And my balance, as you can see, 784. I bought one share of Heidelberg Cement with the dividends that I'll be collecting for this month. So Heidelberg Cement is courtesy of September's dividends. So I bought that over the weekend. So it'll execute tomorrow because of Labor Day. So let's jump into it. Experian, I go to the 5-year. Nice upward trend. As you can see. I haven't seen one of these in a minute. I mean, it's gradually up. Increasing. So I bought in pretty much, how do you call it? It's not overvalued. I call it fair value. Me, I pretty much, anything overvalue, I try not. I mean, it's rare that I go purchase overvalue, but pretty much I go fair value or undervalue is those two categories where I'll buy assets. 41% of analysts agree that Experian is a buy. 375 people, including myself, own Experian on Robinhood. The current market price is $30.79. So I'm up 0.16%. About Experian PLC sponsored ADR UK, also called Experian, is a global information services company which engages in the provision of data and analytical tools that are used to manage credit risks, prevent fraud, target marketing offers, and automate decision making. Its activities are grouped into 4 global business lines: credit services, decision analytics, marketing services, and consumer services. The credit services provides information to organizations to help manage the risks associated with extending credit and preventing fraud. The decision analytics unlocks the value of its vast store of credit and marketing information, as well as other data sources, by applying expert consulting, analytical tools, and software to convert data into valuable business decisions. The marketing services helps many of the organizations target and engage to customers through sophisticated marketing strategies that generate significant return on investment. The consumer services provides credit monitoring services to millions of consumers via the internet. The company was founded by John Wilfred Peace in 1980 and is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. EXPGY is listed on the OTCQX International Premier Market Tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group Incorporated. Boom. CEO Brian Jude Cassin. Employees 17,200. Headquarters Dublin, Ireland. Founded in 1980. Market cap 27.76 billion. PE ratio 40.14. Dividend yield 1.58. Analyst ratings: buy 41%, hold 35%, sell 24%. So let's look at the dividend. So the dividend on Experian, I tried looking. I usually go to NASDAQ dividend history. They didn't have really any information. They had information, but not on the dividend history. I'm thinking because it's international. The way Experian pays dividend, they pay annually. So now currently, if you own Experian, they will pay you 47 cents per share annually. And as you can see, from 2015, 39 cents, 2016, 40 cents, 2017, 42 cents, 2018, 45 cents, and then this year, 47 cents. So I'm going to dive in more into Experian with my bestie friend, Wikipedia. Experian PLC is a national consumer credit reporting company. Excuse me. Experian collects and aggregates information on over 1 billion people and businesses, including 235 million individual U.S. consumers and more than 25 million U.S. businesses. Based in Dublin, Ireland, the company operates in 37 countries with headquarters in the United Kingdom, the United States, and Brazil. The company employs approximately 17,000 people and reported revenue for 2018 of US 4.6 billion. It is listed on the London Stock Exchange and is a constituent of the FTSE 100 index. Experian is a partner in the UK government's Verify ID system and USPS address validation. I didn't know that. It is one of the big 3 credit reporting agencies alongside TransUnion and Equifax. Ding, ding, ding. In addition to its credit services, Experian also sells decision analytic and marketing assistance to businesses, including individual fingerprinting and targeting. Its consumer services include online access to credit history and products meant to protect from fraud and identity theft. Like all credit reporting agencies, the company is required by U.S. law to provide consumers with 1 free credit report every year. Thank you, Experian, for that. But I check my credit report daily with Credit Karma. It's free. So that'll do it. And take us back to the beginning, to the home. So that was fun. So that's Experian, my newest addition. Welcome, Experian. So I'm definitely gonna get its brothers or sisters, TransUnion, and Equifax. So the sisters are a little bit more with that. So that's it for inside my Robinhood portfolio. Tomorrow I'm gonna get tomorrow's investors mindset. So if I have the time, I'll find the topic on investors mindset. But I think from now on until probably this whole week, I'm gonna be booked, preparing for my flight back to the U.S. of A. West Side, California love. Stay investing. See you tomorrow.